Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is various models in banking. Now, importantly, remember models means what? Models means the framework. How does the bank move in for the future? Okay, that is called as model. So, very important topic. Watch the video till the end because this will be definitely asked in the exam. This point, okay? The horizontal and vertical models. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials, plus live classes, plus ebooks, plus tests. Everything what you need for clearing JAIIB, you'll be getting it over here. Okay, so download it fast. Okay, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, number one, you'll be getting free YouTube series on all the topics of JAIIB and CIB. What are you watching right now? Same free YouTube series. Also, you'll be getting the latest updates on JAIIB and CIB. Very important. Whatever are the updates about the exams, about the portion, you'll be getting it over here. These are the two new batches. Okay, just now started. All the four subjects: PPB, IFS, AFM, and retail banking and wealth management. All the subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything. And importantly, 80% off is going on right now. 80% off. Okay, so remember this 80% discount. And secondly, on Mahapacks, what is available on Mahapacks? Mahapacks, you are having double validity on Mahapacks. Okay, on Mahapack, I'll show you at the end how to use this double validity. Okay, what is a Mahapack basically? Mahapack means you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. See this: PPB 15, IFS 15, AFM 15, and retail banking 15. So such a huge thing you are getting. And importantly, use the code Y432. Using this, you will be getting all the discounts. Never forget this code. Okay, let me come to the topic. See this. The topic is models in banking. What are the various models here? Up till now, tell me one thing. You all are working in the banks. Okay, now tell me one thing. Yeah, let's say you are in clearing department. Whichever department you are in, somebody might be in clearing, somebody might be in this fund transfer, somebody might be doing RTGS, somebody might be doing cash, anything. Okay, now the point over here is just answer one question of mine. How many of you have discussed with your colleague next sitting to you about some business lead from some customer on his desk, or business lead from some customer at your desk? For example, if you are doing RTGS, you are having many customers who give on a daily basis huge amount of RTGSs, right? Or NEFT, businessmen are there. So in that case, have you discussed any time with your colleague or the marketing person in your bank that, see, this is the person, you can go there and get the business? Type yes in the comment section if you have discussed, or no. If you have not done it, type no. Be frank about it, right? So now coming to this point about the model, the point over here is horizontally organized model. It means what? Customer capture, originate, and product. Each department is having its own customer base. It is not shared with other departments. Means the one which we are talking right now. I gave you the example, the same example. Home loan department doesn't share the information of the clients with personal loan or with credit card or with clearing or with transfer, anyone. Neither these departments share it with each other. Okay, so this is the, I would call, the worst model in banking. You should have a common database. Okay, so if this is the worst, means I'll give the marking of, let's say, 1 over here, 1 marking, least marking is 1. Okay, so if I'll give a marking of 1 over here, which is the best marking? There are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which will have the best marking? Best marking will be over here, 4. Best, I'll write it over here, best. And this is least. Okay, least. So this is the best, this is least. Why this is the best? Why vertical model is the best? Because look at this, all the departments, this is home loan, this is personal loan, this is clearing, this is RTGS, this is all these departments, they all have a common database, means all the customers are shared with each other. What happens because of this? Earlier, if let's say home loan had 100 clients, okay, personal loan had 100 clients, and credit card had 100 clients. So each one was dealing in 100, not sharing with each other. But now, with the vertical model, what will happen? This will have 100, this will have 100, similarly each one will have 100. So each department will have, in this case, each department will have 400 clients. So home loan will have a common database of 400 clients. Similarly, personal loan will have a common database of 400 clients. So each client can be targeted by each department. Because logic is very simple. A person who is having a home loan, doesn't that person need a credit card? Doesn't that person need a personal loan? Doesn't that person need some other loan or other banking service? So each client can be contacted for various services, and this is the main advantage of cross-selling. So vertical model is the best model in banking. So if this is least, this is best, then which are in between? So in between there are predominantly horizontally organized models. So we'll just call it PH model. Okay. So PH means predominantly horizontally organized model. Here in horizontally organized, what was the case? Zero data was shared between each departments. Okay, just type fast. In horizontally organized model, was the data shared between personal loans and home loans? Type fast. In horizontally organized model, was the data shared between personal loans and home loans? No, right? So what happens over here, in predominantly horizontally organized, some data is shared. See here it was 0, now we have some data, some. Okay, here it was 0 data sharing, here some data is shared. So what happens now? Some customers of home loans are also known to personal loans, are also known to credit cards. Some means we can call it 25%. That's the best figure wise we can call this like this, 25%, isn't it? Then what about PV? Predominantly vertically organized model. In this model, what happens? The customer maximum data of the customer is shared. Means 75% of the data is shared with each department. But still it's not 100%, remember. Okay. So importantly, this home loan department will have majority customers data of personal loans, of credit cards, similarly others. So now what can they do? They can definitely share the data with each other and target their clients, but still we are lagging, and that comes in stage 4 then. In stage 4, 100% of the data is shared. Okay. So got this point everyone? Type fast in the comment section. Have you understood it? 0% sharing, some percent sharing, or 25% sharing, 75% sharing, 100% sharing in vertical. So now give me the answer. Which is the best model in banking? Horizontally, vertically, or PH or PV? Which is the best model in banking? Horizontally, vertically, PH or PV? It is correct, vertically. Got it? Now let's go to the theory part. Horizontally organized model. Individual process platform supports one product only. See this, one product, only home loan, personal loan, and everything. The sub data in the model are not shared with other products and product platforms, right? Sub data is not shared over here. 0%. Vertically organized. Functionality is provided across all products. All means data is shared across all the products. In this model, customer information is centralized. Centralized means it is common to all. Centralized customer information builds common origination and servicing processes across its retail banking products. So centralized customer information builds a common origination. Common origination means each of the department will collect the data of its own customers and put it in the central database. Okay. Because of that, what happens? Each other department can access the data from the other department also. So who's ultimately gaining in this? If you share the common database, tell me one thing. If you share the common database with other departments, who will gain the max in this? Who will gain? After all, your bank. The bank is giving us the salary, so bank needs to earn more, isn't it? So common origination and servicing processes across its retail banking products, right? Got it, everyone? So because of this, because of this common database or sharing of the data, the bank will gain a lot. Okay. PH, predominantly horizontally organized model. Some modularization within the product oriented feedback. Some. Okay. Some means some data is shared over here. Customer data integration is available to certain extent. See, this certain extent means some part, not all, for other products. Got it? Now PV, predominantly vertically organized model, is a hybrid model that offers common information for most of the related services. Got it? Most means 75%. The basic information is available across products to common services to the various products. Okay. So 75% of the data is shared over here. Now before going to the question answer series, again look at this. The batch which is just now started, it covers all the 4 subjects: PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management. Importantly, 80% off you are getting it over here. Okay, I'm again stressing this: 80% discount. You won't get it every now and then. On Mahapack's double validity. Mahapack means, remember Mahapack, it means 15 plus batches per subject. So join it ASAP. Use the code Y432. We are covering all the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything. Everyone, like this video, click on the bell icon. Everyone, just do it fast. Share it with your friends because it's free. Sharing is free. Okay, so share it with your friends. Let's move on. Yeah. Now let's come to the question answer series. Complete data is shared across all the departments in which of the model? Give me fast. Horizontally organized, vertically organized, predominantly PH, I'll call it PH and PV. So in which model complete data is shared? Complete. What is the answer over here? Who can give me the fast answer? Yeah. Horizontally? No. Vertically. Vertically means 100% data is shared, isn't it? What did we say? Horizontally 0% data. Everyone, those who have joined now, horizontally 0% data is shared. Vertically 100% data is shared. PH, roughly we'll call it now, let's say 30%, isn't it? PV, roughly we'll call it 70%, isn't it? Most of the data is shared in PV, less data is shared in PH, 0 data is shared in horizontally, and 100% data is shared in vertically. Okay. So now, which is the preferable model? What do you think? Horizontal or vertical? Obviously vertical, isn't it? Maximum, but not all data is shared among all the departments in which model? Here, maximum but not all. I will just call it short forms now. H, V, PH or PV. Which model will have the maximum data shared but not full data shared? Type fast. Type fast. A, B, C or D. Type fast that way also. Okay, correct. It is D, predominantly vertically organized model. Most data, okay, but not all. Core banking software in banks is based on. What is this core banking software based on? H, V, PH or PV? Tricky question, very tricky. Okay, in core banking what happens? Let me get back to this question. See this. Somebody in Kashmir, in your bank, okay, your branch in Kashmir, okay. Can that person access the data of any customer in, let's say, Tamil Nadu? Means a customer in Tamil Nadu, he is having an account with your bank. Can a person from Kashmir access the data of this customer? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because it's a common database. So what does it mean? When there is full database access to any branch of your bank, it is based on which model then? Core banking software is based on vertically organized model, because vertically means common database is shared. So suppose somebody is working in loans in your bank. Let me come to this point only. Somebody is working in loans, okay. That person, does he have the access, does he or she have the access to your savings account customers or account number? If they know the account number or if they know the name, can they find out the account number? and whatever data about that client? Yes, they can, because it's in the common database. So that's the main motto of this core banking software, vertically organized model. Data needs to be shared among all the employees. Okay, which is the best model for the banking system in future? Which is the best model for future? Future. H, V, PH or PV? Which is the best model? What do you think? Bank should work on this horizontally model or vertically, or PH or PV? Horizontally. No, it is correct. It's vertically, but obvious. So common database is the future. If you have a common database, you can access more clients and there can be more profits to the bank. Now let me come to homework. In Bank X, the SB account team does not give data to any other departments for the growth of business. Which model is this following? Is this SB account following? Does not share the data. H, V, horizontally, vertically, PH or PV? Check the answer. Check the video again and then answer. Okay, I'll be answering this tomorrow. If you have the answer, you can definitely type it right now also. So let me show you how to use this code Y432 for getting 80% off. How to get this 80% off? Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay. If you're having the app, I would suggest go on the app. In the app, you're getting 1% extra. You'll get 81%. Why? Because there is a coin system in this method, this app system. Okay, so go on the front page, click on JAIIB and CIB. You'll see the JAIIB, CIB Mahapack, CIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Now you'll see the batches. Look at the batches. Okay, click on this English batch. Okay, click on the English batch. Okay, yeah, got it. See this. You'll see the details. Means what is the starting date, what is the ending date, what are the daily, means how many days the class is there, what is the study plan, everything you'll be getting it over here. Okay, now let's look at the fees. The fees is importantly remember, recorded videos are available, so if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back to the videos. Two-way interactive classes, you can ask the questions there and then itself, clarify the doubts. Okay, ebooks are available, tests are available. Okay, so click on view offers, put the code Y432, click on apply. Look at this, 19,999 reduces to 3,999.80. My god, 80% off. You should grab this opportunity immediately. Okay, in fact, one more opportunity I'll tell you, go for the Mahapacks. That is also having 80% off and double validity as well. So let me show you. Okay, see here, seeing is believing. I always believe in that. See it and then believe. Let's look at this Mahapack, JAIIB, CIB Mahapack. Go on this, click on JAIIB ka Mahapack. You can click on both, JAIIB ka Mahapack, JAIIB, CIB ka Mahapack. This we will get it a combination for JAIIB and CIB. Okay, today I'll show you for JAIIB ka Mahapack. Yesterday I had shown you JAIIB, CIB. Okay, look at this. 15 plus batches for all the subjects of PPB, IEFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management. Case study batches are available. Full length mock tests are available. Ebooks are available. Topic wise e-questions are available. So what do you need next? Isn't it? That much is enough. Okay, now coming back to the fees part. See this, recorded videos are available everywhere. See this, fees is 32,796. Click on view offers. Never forget to click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Look at this. 32,796 reduces to 6,559. 80% off, and the validity is 6 plus 6 months. 12 months validity. My god, means if you divide this 6,559 by 12, how much do you get? 12 6 is 72. 600, less than 600 per month. Divide the 600 by number of days in the month, 30. Okay, least will take it, 30. So 600 upon 30, 20 rupees per day. 20 rupees per day, we spend it in our tea breaks. Okay, why 20? We spend around 100. But this 20 rupees will give you an investment for lifetime. Go for it right now. Okay, go for it right now. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow with another session. Till then, bye. Importantly, join the batches because discounts won't last long. Okay.